Khublei pi baro shigithup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat makong san mentang singi Shillong. Bo jingkeliu MLA dadingri habe dei bagajing sam yo khaw rashan. Ki ai kisin jam bashim be sarkar banyi khuni ke jingkerdo kam ki Samla keliu MLA ke Raja Bala. Wanra uba arden ya kamat yatai heying darbar pelor ke jingbun ki pulit hakjaka terekam. Bat kemding kensan kawai ke kali bolero kat badan yan. Bat mentangin pasya ke Khubor bakam banyak. Menteri Ketenat Food and Civil Supplies uba Methodist kar ula pentip haying dorbar bayo khaurashan na kabenta kilong ying BPL bat EAY leji belat manu benai na duk katayo kabalai bat pendapat haduk kebekut jong benai. Ya kini Menteri ula jubab halor ke jingkeli belawan ra do MLA ke dadingre urupa mara.
The answer to the question 193. A. Yes, PDS rice for both BPL and AAY families is being issued on a monthly basis. And B. Sir, as per the PDS calendar, the distribution of rice commences from the 16th, that is the third week of every month, and is completed by the 30th of the same month.
Your supplementary question, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. So I would like to know from the Honorable Minister in charge the quantity of allocated rice per beneficiary household.
Sir, the quantity of rice per beneficiaries for the beneficiary, the quantity of rice for the beneficiary, the AAY is 35 kg per card, and for PHH is 35 kg per member of the family.
I would like to thank the Honorable Minister in charge for his reply. And to you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to put another supplementary question. May I know from the Minister in charge, the process of identifying the BPL and AAY families?
Speaker, sir, if the Honorable Member can repeat the question, please.
I was asking about the process of identifying the BPL and AAY families.
Speaker, sir, as of now, the state of Meghalaya is implementing the central NFSA, that is the National Food Security Act of 2013. And as per this act, the state present beneficiary structure follow from the socio-economic and caste census of 2011, which remain the officially approved database for identification under the National Food Security. The state government is bound by this framework and does not have the authority to unilaterally alter or the coverage beyond.
MLA ke Raja Bala Minazur Kazi ulebuk jingkeli heying dorbar ye ke sinjam belashim de ke sarkar banyi khun ye ke jingkerdo kam ki Samla ke Jylla. Menteri rangba habajuba pahlor ke jingkeli ulai thu bana keliang ke sarkar Jylla kalashim bun ki sinjam kum ke scheme focus CM Assure, CM Elevate, Prime, Ginger Mission, Mushroom Mission, Piggery Mission, CM Homestay, NRLM bat kiwe ki project bagi Samla kinla banyeng halagi jong ki kejat.
Star question 191A. So the government has been proactively working to reduce unemployment through policy decisions and other interventions such as skilling, entrepreneurship support, including leveraging flow of investments in the state. B, some of the important initiatives are as follows: Focus, Focus Plus, CM Farm Plus, CM Assure, CM Elevate, Prime, Lakadong Mission, Ginger Mission, Floriculture Mission, Mushroom Mission, State Organic Mission, Piggery Mission, Milk Mission, Chief Minister's Grassroots Music Program, Hello Meghalaya, Skill Meghalaya, CM Homestay Mission, DDU GKY, NRLM, National Rural Livelihood Mission, NRLM, National Urban Livelihood Mission, NULM, PMEGP, Raising and Accelerating MSME Performance, PM Vishwakarma Scheme. C, sir, same as at B above.
To your
Mr. Speaker, sir, through you, I would like to thank our Honorable Chief Minister, sir, for his reply and initiatives to reduce the unemployment of the state. Through you, sir, may I know from the Honorable Chief Minister, what is the unemployment rate of the state during the last 3 consecutive years, and which source, whether the PLFS or CMIE, the state government officially released upon for policy formulation, monitoring and evaluation of employment interventions?
Sir, as per the PLSF, which is the Periodic Labor Force Survey, the unemployment rate in Meghalaya from 2021, 2020, so last 3 years, I don't have the exact last 3 years, but I can give from 2022 and 2023. So in 2022-23, it was 6.0, and 2023-24, it was 6.2. From the government side, sir, we follow the PLFS, which, as I said, is the Periodic Labor Force Survey. But as correctly mentioned by Honorable MLA, that there is the Center for Monitoring of Indian Economy, CMIE, which also releases its numbers. And as per the CMIE, for 2022-23, it was 2.6. 2023-2024, it was 3.1. So the two methods and the two agencies have different numbers, but I've given both the numbers.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. As we could see from the reply of Honorable Chief Minister, sir, during the last 2 years, during the 2 years data which he have provided, it seems that despite all these interventions, unemployment rate is increasing in the state. So, whether it is a failure of the policy that has been initiated, or what is the primary cause of failure of these unemployment initiatives that the government is thinking upon?
So to jump to a conclusion saying that the policies are failure would not be correct.
UMLA kaliang persya ba Arden Embassy ulawan ra da kejingkeli haying dorbar halor kejingdon ki pulit haki jaka terekam kum haki police station, police outpost bat kumju haki jaka peniat kali. Usumbut Menteri Rangba bapet ya keterat kampo ying ke Jylla uba Preston Tensong haba jubab ya kejingkeli. Ulai thu ba ke Jylla shen kan sayo salai hajar ngut ki pulit badang syutung temai ban pendap ya ki jaka balai.
Sir, the current and actual strength of police personnel in police station, police outpost, traffic branch, police reserve, CID and SB are as follows. Police station 1,843, actual strength 1,431. Police outpost 503, 380. Traffic branch 439, 368. CID 121 107, SB 580 546. Total 3,486. Actual strength 2832. Sir, in respect of police reserve, there is no separate sanctioned strength. The police reserve draws and utilizes manpower from their DEF as per requirement. At present, 859 personnel are deployed in police reserve in the 12 districts, sir.
Your supplementary question, please.
Sir, as per the reply of the Honorable Minister, there is a shortfall as far as the strength is concerned. So, sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister, what is the police to population ratio for police station jurisdiction as recommended or mandated by the Bureau of Police Research and Development?
Sir, as per the guidelines by Bureau of Police Research and Development, the ratio should be per lakhs persons should be 197 police.
Sir, may I know what are the total number of police stations in the state?
Sir, the total police stations in the state, we have 86 numbers, sir.
Sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister, what is the police population ratio against all the said police station jurisdictions, sir?
Sir,
Khubor shiteng sngi kumbakat ar shiteng AA jong ka arpun riu terik mentau banai Rymphang arjar arpun riu kawai ke kali bolero ke bedoni registration number ML not san Z not san iwi san kala kemding kensan hajan civil hospital Khubor bakadang yat katkum ke jinga thu jong nong nya ketika kali ulai thu bakat badang yat kami tedam thui bat bethei kensan na jaka bedon engine bat ula sange no ya ketika kali harut surak Marsinyo jingtip ya kini ke jingja ke pulit-pulit ding ke Meghalaya Fire and Emergency Service marmar ke lawan poi ha ketika jaka bantem ya ke jingkem ding jong ketika kali. Ha kini ke jingja umdon kenu-kenu ke jingja ke pesngusi lait no ke jingjulor ketika kali. Bat da kini ki Khubor ngelapoi shikabakut tat hadut pengidai syam biang kublai shibon.